The last bit of fitting really was only 10 minutes, so it's been a day of welding, and I'm stopping early before I make silly mistakes, but here is quite a big lump. So that tower is just so I can get a spanner on, so I can feel the heat off it, and then the main strut will go down and land on that, and then there'll be a piece going forward to the nose. Here's the steering wedge. These sort of a fillet weld and some goes at kind of big tacks, and it's on definitely solid enough, but I want to do continuous welding all the way around because I want the welding practice as much as anything. So I want to get good at doing these fillets. So there's some that's okay and some not. Moving the wire speed up makes a big difference, but these kind of big tacks, it's a very neat way of holding things together. So I was doing sort of production item, that's what I'd do. Everything lines up still, so I've welded a bit on to another bit, lined up to another bit to another bit, and all 5 bolts drop in nicely. The alignment down here is good, and this whole component I can still fiddle under the gearbox. These angles came out well, so I didn't clamp it, I just sort of used the geometry of it, and one's sort of 79.8, one's 79.9, and it sits very nicely in the car. So, there's a thing.